Hi everyone! So, ang topic nato sa atong video for today will be probability method. So, ang probability method kay gamit para may bawan ang chances sa trait nga magawa sa usa ka offspring. Instead na mag-drawing ang mga squares o lines kay direct multiplication lang jud ni. So, nata example ani sa probability method. Here we have is an example of probability method. Traits we have here is ang flower, color, and ang height. Dayon ng iyang parents kay both heterozygous for both traits. Ang naa nato diri kay red flower, white flower, and tall and short plant. Ang probability sa iyang red flower kay 3/4, ang white flower kay 1/4, tall plant is 3/4, and short plant is 1/4. So, yun sa nato pagkuha sa probability. So, simple na dyan ni kay ang dominant kay 3/4 nga dahil ng recessive. So, matong dominant ari kay ang red flower ang tall plant. And dahil ng recessive na to kay white flower and short plant. So, makuha na dyan ni siya kung imo na siyang ipanit square. So, dili mata nagimog panit square. So, diretso na nga ni. Moving on kay ginani nato sila pag-compute. So, ato na silang gi-combine ng duha ka trait, ang color ug ang iyang height. So, ang red and tall is 3/4 times 3/4 equals 9/16. Then, red and short is 3/4 times 1/4 is 3/16. White and tall is 1/4 times 3/4 times 3/16 equals 3/16. White and short is 1/4 times 1/4 equals 1/16. Dayon, ang atong ratio is 9:3 to 3:1. Here we have is another example of probability method. Kani siya is seed. So, ang trait sa seed kay ang seed shape of ang iyang color. And both sa parents kay heterozygous for both traits. Same report sa previous example is 3/4 ang round seed, red gold is 1/4, yellow seed is 3/4, and green seed is 1/4. So, ano yapon? Round and yellow is 3/4 times 3/4 equals 9/16. Round and green is 3/4 times 3/4 equals 3/16. Wrinkled and yellow is 1/4 times 3/4 equals 3/16. Wrinkled and green is 1/4 times 1/4 equals 1/16. And the ratio is also 9:3 to 3:1. So, more jud na simple jud ang paghimo sa probability method.